Content strategy is the backbone of digital marketing success. It involves planning, developing, and managing content to align with user needs and business goals. By creating an interconnected ecosystem, each content piece serves a purpose, enhancing search engine optimization, user engagement, and conversion potential. This strategic approach ensures content is not just created, but optimized for maximum impact. Content strategy involves planning, developing, and managing content to align with user needs and business goals. It creates an interconnected ecosystem, maximizing search engine optimization, engagement, and conversions. Unlike random content, strategic content serves specific purposes and connects to broader themes, ensuring each piece contributes to overall objectives. Strategic content enhances organic visibility by ranking higher in search results, reducing reliance on paid ads. It builds authority, positioning your brand as an industry leader through comprehensive content. A well-organized strategy improves user experience, aiding quick information retrieval and boosting satisfaction. Efficient resource use prevents duplication, ensuring each content piece serves multiple purposes. A lack of content strategy leads to siloed, disconnected content, causing keyword cannibalization and wasted resources. Users face difficulty finding relevant information, increasing bounce rates and reducing conversions. Competitors with organized content capture your potential traffic and authority, resulting in significant financial losses in organic traffic value. The hub and spoke model, or topic clusters, transforms content organization for SEO. A central pillar page covers a broad topic, while cluster pages delve into specific subtopics, linking back to the pillar. This interconnected structure signals topical authority to search engines, enhancing site rankings by presenting your site as a comprehensive resource. A pillar page offers a comprehensive overview of a main topic, typically spanning 3,000–5,000 words. It uses strategic subheadings to introduce subtopics, each linked to detailed cluster pages. Internal links, ranging from 8 to 20, use relevant anchor text. User navigation is enhanced with a table of contents, while strategic calls to action guide users to relevant offers or next steps. Cluster pages delve into specific subtopics, each 1,200–2,500 words, targeting long-tail keywords. They focus on one angle, link back to the pillar page, and may connect to related clusters. These pages target specific lower-volume keywords, offering actionable insights. Collectively, they bolster the pillar's authority and rank for distinct keywords. HubSpot's content strategy exemplifies the hub and spoke model. Their marketing pillar page links to over 15 cluster pages, each a detailed guide on topics like email and social media marketing. This interconnected structure boosts domain authority, ranking for broad and long-tail keywords, driving 30% more organic traffic annually, and attracting over 6 million monthly visitors. Begin by selecting a broad pillar topic central to your business, targeting 1,000–10,000 monthly searches. Identify 8 to 15 related cluster topics based on audience queries. Map the architecture to visualize interconnections. Develop the pillar page first, followed by cluster content with consistent internal linking. Monitor rankings, traffic, and engagement to optimize performance. Content gap analysis identifies valuable keywords and topics your competitors rank for that you don't. This competitive intelligence reveals untapped opportunities to capture market share through strategic content creation. By analyzing competitor content, you discover proven topics driving traffic, enabling data-driven decisions rather than guesswork in content creation. Content gaps are gold mines due to proven demand. Competitors' rankings indicate significant search volume and user interest. With lower competition, your site can grow without affecting existing rankings. Quick wins are possible, especially if your domain authority matches competitors. Analyzing these gaps provides strategic insights into competitors' content approaches, refining your overall strategy. Conducting a content gap analysis involves identifying 3 to 5 direct competitors who rank well for your target keywords. Use search engine optimization tools to extract their keywords and compare them to your site to find gaps. Prioritize opportunities by filtering for search volume, difficulty, and relevance. Then create superior content targeting these gap keywords. Focus on high relevance, high volume keywords with moderate difficulty that align with your conversion goals. Prioritize quick wins, high volume with low difficulty, to build momentum. Consider search volume, keyword difficulty, business relevance, conversion potential, and content creation effort to effectively prioritize content gaps. An e-commerce fitness brand identified a content gap in home workout equipment maintenance, a topic with 12,000 monthly searches. Competitors ranked in positions 3 to 7, but the brand had no content. They created a pillar page and 5 cluster articles, resulting in a number 2 ranking, 20,400 monthly visits, and an 18% sales increase in maintenance products. Content freshness is crucial in digital marketing. Regularly updating existing content can outperform creating new content. Google's algorithms prioritize updated content, especially for time-sensitive topics. Refreshing content leverages existing authority, backlinks, and indexing, making it more efficient. A strategic refresh can revive declining pages or elevate strong performers to top positions. Declining rankings signal competitors have surpassed you, especially if your page drops from top 10 to 1120. Outdated information, like statistics or tools over 1 to 2 years old, needs updating. Thin content under 1,000 words struggles against comprehensive competitors. Poor engagement, indicated by high bounce rates, suggests unmet user needs. Missing keywords highlight gaps in addressing related terms and questions. The content refresh framework involves auditing current performance by analyzing traffic, rankings, and engagement. Update core information by refreshing statistics and replacing outdated examples. Expand content depth with new sections and case studies. Optimize for new keywords through gap analysis. Enhance user experience with a table of contents and subheadings. Signal freshness by updating the publish date. Content refreshes can significantly boost organic traffic. HubSpot's study shows a 106% increase by updating old posts. Backlinko's example saw a 438% traffic surge by expanding a post from 3,000 to 5,200 words. Focus on moderately performing content, especially those ranking in positions 820, for maximum impact. Establish a content refresh schedule to maintain competitiveness. Quarterly, focus on top-performing pages, commercial content, and those with declining traffic. Annually, refresh evergreen content, comprehensive guides, and pillar pages. Always monitor for sudden ranking drops, algorithm updates, and industry changes. A systematic calendar ensures strategic updates without constant manual oversight. SEMrush offers a comprehensive suite for keyword research, content gap analysis, and position tracking. Ahrefs excels in competitive analysis and backlink insights. ClearScope uses artificial intelligence for content optimization, enhancing keyword usage and readability. These tools are essential for identifying content gaps, refreshing strategies, and maintaining competitive content performance. Integrating topic clusters, gap analysis, and content refreshes forms a cohesive strategy. Begin with topic clusters to structure content, then use gap analysis to prioritize and identify missing angles. Regular refreshes enhance rankings, creating a flywheel effect that boosts authority and facilitates easier ranking for new content, while gap analysis uncovers new expansion opportunities. Avoid creating clusters without keyword research. It leads to low traffic content. Understand search intent to match user needs, preventing high bounce rates. Ensure strong internal linking for search engine optimization benefits. Refresh content strategically, addressing decline causes. Prioritize gaps aligning with business goals, avoiding dilution. Continuously optimize content strategy to adapt to evolving algorithms and user behaviors. Track both leading and lagging indicators monthly. Leading indicators like keyword rankings and internal link coverage predict future performance. Lagging indicators such as organic traffic growth and engagement metrics validate strategy effectiveness. Aim for 15 to 20% organic traffic growth quarterly and 30% of content ranking in the top 10 within 6 months. Begin by auditing your current content to identify top and declining pages. Select a pillar topic with over 1,000 monthly searches. Conduct a gap analysis with 3 competitors to find 20 to 30 gap keywords. Map your cluster with a pillar page and 8 to 12 cluster pages. Create a content calendar and implement a refresh schedule. Measure and iterate monthly. Structure beats volume. Topic clusters with strategic internal linking outperform scattered content. Learn from competitors through gap analysis to uncover proven opportunities. Refreshing existing content often yields better return on investment than new content. Integrate these strategies for compounding returns. Start with one topic cluster, conduct gap analysis, and schedule refreshes to transform organic performance in 6 months.